fire pit includes three parts. Our storage, and it's very big. And our fire pit, and it's also called Corten. And this one is our cooking plate, and it's made of carbon steel. Now let's fix. We will use the screw and nuts to fix the fire pit on the to the storage and make it stable. And inside, it's a bubble bag, bubble film. Then it's oil paper. Yeah, oil paper. And this is our cooking plate.
When
And
you
then,
use the oil paper,
you know, this material is carbon steel, and it will rust. So we have to use the oil and oil paper to prevent the rust and give it a good condition to our customer. And this is our center grill. Okay, now we will put the cooking plate on the fire pit. Carbon steel, so it's very heavy.
now
Now our BBQ grill is ready,
yes,
and our colleagues and they are preparing the food and meat.
we will have a happy time in this afternoon.
Yes.
Yes.
And now we are in a peach land, and delicious food and beautiful scenery. So I think it's very enjoyable.